Well, maybe you're taking advantage of the nice weekend to do some traveling, but a warning if you are hitting the road. Cases of COVID-19 are spiking in Minnesota as well as the neighboring states. Today, Minnesota reported more than 5,400 new cases and 36 deaths. That is the fourth day in a row that the state has broken its daily case record. That is also a record for the most deaths reported in a single day. Wisconsin and the Dakotas are also seeing very high numbers right now. We'll have updated numbers from Wisconsin in the coming hours. Our Christiane Cordero joins us live from the state capitol in St. Paul with some more perspective on what are staggering numbers, Christiane.
Yeah, staggering numbers indeed, Susan Elizabeth. And state officials have been warning for a while, right, for the past several days at least, that Minnesota's heading in the wrong direction. They are also, though, trying to find that balance between helping Minnesotans mitigate the spread and also understanding that nothing that they do from a health perspective level, from an enforcement level, will eliminate risk entirely. You heard Suze with those numbers. For context, that doesn't just set the fourth day in a row with record numbers. It smashes the previous record, going right past the 4,000s and into the 5,000s. Now, we've also heard a lot about the positivity rate, adjusting numbers with increased testing, right? We're at 11% right now. That's the highest since Minnesota's stay-at-home order ended in mid-May. Part of the reason for that stay-at-home order was to buy time for hospitals to increase its ICU bed capacity and buy PPE supplies. We're closing in on the ICU beds, just over 1,000 being used right now. Immediate capacity is at 1,300. The state does seem, however, to have a plan to make 400 available if it has 3 days notice. One other concerning data point is community spread. That is basically classified as cases that you can't necessarily trace where that person got infected. 30% is the threshold. We are above it, and we've been above it for quite a while, since late August. So one thing that we've heard health officials say repeatedly, right, is that outdoors and social distancing and mask wearing, that all makes a really big difference. Susan Elizabeth, as we look at this 70+ degree day today, outdoors is certainly the way to go, isn't it?
Absolutely, no question. Thank you, Christiane.